We're gonna add a recipe to our menu. To do that, we're gonna go to our programming menu by hitting V, left, right. We're gonna go to option 4. Here you can select an edit or exit option. We're gonna go to edit. We're gonna confirm that we're looking at timer 1. Pick our recipe. Here you can select your menu item. We're gonna confirm. Here we'll set our cook time. Now we can choose if we want an action, such as a shake. We're gonna confirm that we do. You can choose a shake, a turn, or a stir option. We're gonna go to shake. We're gonna have our shake timer come in at 1:45. We'll confirm that. Here you can also add an additional shake timer if you like. We're gonna go no. Here you can assign a hold time in case you want to drip. We want to know, do we want compensation time to go for a true cook time of 3:30, or if we want to compensate and monitor our temperatures, we're going to yes. And we do not want to program additional recipes. We confirm and hit V to return to cooking.